Hello all, welcome to Let's Do Accountancy. Accountancy as a subject is very interesting, at the same time a little tricky. Knowing this subject has many future benefits like having a better idea about saving goals, investments, controlling debts, knowing profitability, etc. Every time you sit down and think about buying, selling or doing something with money, you are using your accounting skills. So yes, it not only has an academic importance but also useful in our real life. Without wasting any time, let us quickly see some tips on how to study accountancy in an interesting way so that you can enjoy the subject and learn it for life. Now, while constructing a building, before adding on a floor, what do we work on? Yes, we lay the foundation and make it strong enough to carry the different floors. A similar logic can be applied while learning accounting. If one has to become a master in accounting, then we must make our fundamentals strong, which includes knowing all the generally accepted accounting principles, how the debit-credit rule should be applied, and so on. These are the key elements to have a successful career in accounting. Every concept or every new concept you will learn revolves around these basics only. So our very first step is to thorough with the basics. Next is to connect the business transactions with some everyday life events for easy understanding of the concepts. Friends, do you all learn the entries by heart and write it as it is in the paper during exams? That is wrong way of doing it. Understand why closing stock is presented on credit side of trading account and on the asset side of balance sheet. Why not on the liability side? Learn and understand the logic behind it. If you're still not thorough with the concepts or are not clear about where to post what, try solving as many questions as you can. Even while solving, read the questions, check the adjustments and pass entries systematically. Afterwards, check whether you were correct. If you made any mistake, don't ignore them. Learn from it. Fifth is, learn a concept first and immediately solve a problem to learn it in a better manner. Like money measurement concept. Understand and learn the concept and then solve the questions related to it. As in how to learn, make it a habit to write down important point in a book or paper. You need not write the whole chapter, just the main points which you feel that you might forget, and it is really important, only those. When it comes to accounting, along with the concepts, another important thing that really matters is arithmetical accuracy. That will come only and only from practice. Please do not use mobiles and calculators. While solving a problem, practice it systematically. Emphasize equally on the various formats. Presenting entries in the right format is equally important. Last but not the least, try studying in a group. Have a healthy discussion, challenge each other, take help in concepts that you're weak at, and teach others in the parts you're strong at. This will definitely help you to analyze yourself in a better way. So friends, that's it. I hope you like these tips. I would personally suggest you to follow them once and analyze your performance.